Like, parry all of them and then you start hitting? What? No, why are we so bad? Why am I so bad? Damn. Bizarre. Yeah, bro, we're just fumbling so hard. No. Yeah, bro, let's be realistic. Ah, nice, nice. I mean, to be honest, I thought there was a Sigler at your place, and then like that I wouldn't be able to retrieve your stuff, so why just not restart? Bibbidi bobbidi bar. Okay, can I want a petition to remove the pistol blueprint, like actually. Oh, I got an AKM blueprint. Nice. True. Is this not? Okay, why? Oh, there's a workbench here. If you wanna do it right now. There's a workbench here. Okay, how about you leave me alone? Because I don't have a melee, right? So like leave me alone. What? Where is it? Oh. Bizarre. Come on, bro, you got this. You're a showdowner, bro. Beat his ass. Beat his ass. Oh, hell no. Nah, you're on your own. Yeah, bro. Your stuff's gone, bro. Oh, shit. Sickly, bro. Yeah, low key. What are the chances, bro? Can we stop? Right? We ain't done none, bro. Just give me my title. I think this is the first time I've ever picked up a tomahawk. Oh, that's no curcularly. Yeah. They just. No, I got a hidden knife. Nice. Oh wait, there's a crate. Come on, bro. If I get a Maria blueprint, I'm oh, I got a Lemieux blade. High key the best me in the Korean. True, I'm gonna have to give it to you. And it has like the Lemieux blade. Raya wields it. The best, the guy himself, the one and only. Oh, I hate this new UI. It's so unpractical. Bro, this weapon is so goated. Light swing speed, heavy swing speed, both are 100. Just but if its damage is low-key bonus, what the fuck is that damage? That's a tier 4? True. Why would I need a combat knife? Oh. I'm poking and shivving like one of these Londoners. Oh my god, I might have pressed it too late. Bro, I got a feeling in my bones this is gonna be the run. What are you winning? No worries. Yeah, I saw that. That was tough, bro. I had a couple of titles, but my account got terminated. Did I get what? No, I left it there for you. It's at base anyway. Okay. There's a crafting bench at outpost. No outpost. Yeah, like actually. Why are these shotgunners smackdowning me? Can we stop? I got artery, so I'm gonna have to secure. Grind. Oh wait, I'm so low. Oh my god, did I hit you? Okay, bro. Okay. No, Arthur is not killing me. I'm gonna kill myself. That was my decision. It wasn't because of Arthur. It was because I wanted to kill myself. Okay. Okay. Damn. Nah, bro, it's like so comfy. You got so much hair. It's like so comfortable. Why is he lying? Who is that even? Is that Virgil? Not Virgil. I've heard of that game so much. that guy. He looks like the. Okay, I low-key don't want to say it, but he looks like that 1x1x1 skin from Forsaken. Okay, okay. Sledge Queen. Alright. Okay, let's see. RKM. Nice, nice. Okay. Knockdown, knockdown. Dynamite. Grenade. Kaboom. Kablow. Kaboom. Kablow. Let me know when I should, hit the diner. Here, somewhere. I believe. Oh wait, we got 30 seconds. Bro. Now, right? Right? Nice, everything hit her. Beat her ass! Beat her ass! Yes, I'm on, bro. I'm shooting her bitch ass. Let's go! Easy one. Stay humbled. Wait, no, I wanted to. I guess I'm for that. Nom nom nom. Actually, I don't fucking care. Who's still there? Why am I one-shotting them? What the fuck? Why am I so strong? What the? Oh! Wait, I didn't see that. Ah, no, I got parried! No! Oh! Holy aura loss. Was alright. Nah, bro, that wasn't me. Damn! Oh wait, actually take the salvage. No, I'll make it. I'll make them. Okay. Oh my god, there's a hanger. I'm gonna beat his ass. Okay. Why is he beating my ass? Can you stop? How about you stop? Stop fucking. What do I want to say? I'm gonna. I'll go light. I mean, what weapons do we have? Actually. Wait, we have the scorpion, right? We have a scorpion. I'll just go light. Sure. You're going medium, right? Okay, bro. Ah! Alright! Finna! I didn't have anything on me. Except my hidden knife, that's just sad. Yes, that wasn't an AK scav. At the scrapper of the right side. But there was an AK scav. Bro, if you die, I'm actually like I'm gonna do something, okay? I'm gonna do something. At the scrapper. There's the guy. There's bro, the only one that's there, the green. Look, can you see it? There's King Von. At the behind you, bro, at the scrapper. The scrapper, the green scrapper, yeah. Be careful, left of you. There's King Von left of you. Bro! Yeah. Yes, I saw that. I'm telling you, it's King Von. Did you just try to scrap my bro? Shut up. If we die right now, like this. Do I have what? Who the fuck is Adian, man? Oh yeah, a lot of rations actually. Glue. No, you have them in your inventory, I believe. And may I get my hit? I had like 15 from before. What? We're probably not. Yeah, obviously you have to shoot him, right? Whoop whoop. Yeah. Hold it up. Hold it reference. Okay, that just missnight. Don't use the medium. We probably shouldn't use the medium ammo yet, right? Oh, we don't have any other gun. Did you take anything except my hidden blade? Are you cool? Oh my god, there's the combat knife. Holy flash. When I shoot this guy, everyone's gonna go there, right? True. Wait, we should. Yeah, I'm low-key. For more of everything. Beat his ass! Wait, why is he still alive? You broke your leg? Alright. Baby Bobby. Christian Nara. Darth Mara. Oh, AK scat. Take your pills. Actually, I'm already in there. Loki is looking pretty good. I thought, oh, tactical ammo. Wait, why am I cooking? Oh my god, I got a hidden knife. This is fate, bro. This is fate, like actually. Found an ash, but the ash is. I found a Lameo blade, bro. I'm telling you, it's fate, bro. Loki, yeah. I mean, if you don't mind, do you have enough for Arcane? I found another Lameo blade. Bro, I found 3 Lameo blades this round. Wow. Oh my god, the Thompson. I found the. No, that's not a Thompson, that's the. Wait, what's it called? The shotgun that's able to mag dump. Did you say that? Nah, bro, it shouldn't. It's the best shotgun if we, for like, you know, for us if we're not doing. It can score 20 shell ammo. That's so nice and so juicy. Yawn. Yeah. Yeah, right? I mean, it's only you, but yeah. Bippity boppity. Leave me alone. Yeah. That's so tough, right? Okay, I messed up. Damn. Gang. Yeah. Loki, we don't even need this scrap, right? I mean, it's not that, you know. Yeah, true. I Loki, I forgot. Do you have enough for hour 11? Yeah. Oh. But are they gonna change it like fuck us over, or are they gonna change it like... Mm-hmm. Oh my god. Are they high? Are you high? Hey, I found the scar. Do you need it? I mean, you're using an R11, but do you want a scar? What? Okay. Yeah, Loki. Yeah. Yeah. I just like it because of, you know, I'm German. Just kidding. Potato chip. Don't die on me now. With what? Okay. It doesn't matter. Both of them one shot. I don't care. This is just like this has no aura, you know. Nine! Austin Vick! Oh, what the fuck? Okay. Oh no. Wait, I got a broken leg? Do we have crude still? No, I'm just gonna use it. Yeah. Oh wait, I'm gonna... What the fuck? Oh, you didn't respawn? Bro, I low-key don't wanna risk. You know what I'm saying? I don't wanna fumble. Wait, but I gotta... Wait. I'm gonna... Yeah. Oh my god, the best weapon in the game. The best weapon in the game. Oh my fucking god. Yeah, we don't have any gun for small ammo anyways, right? Yeah. Yeah, true. Wait, that's so much over. Yeah. In case of what? Ah. Yeah, I found some heavy ammo. Nom nom nom. Ah, yeah, true. Wait, we almost won, and low key this run is like we high key won. Do we have anything? Did we do anything that's not allowed? Did you use any scrappers? What the fuck? Yo, holy jump scare! Oh my god! Wait, did you see him or did you just guess that he was coming? Damn! That was so unexpected, bro. I was scared for a second there. Oh, my hidden knife, the goat. Oh no, that's on me. Here. Wait, take this one. Bro, 600 scrap, bro. You go make some R11 ammo or something. Alright. Imagine. Yeah. I read it mentioned. Oh, damn! Dang, I got no more ammo with my little. Hey, get his ass, get his ass! But you had less HP! It doesn't matter, Loki, who cares? Scar one. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this one. It's disposable. Oh. Bro, I'm gonna be honest, I low-key want a better gun for light ammo. Low-key. Cause I'm cause I'm basically only gonna be using light, right? Okay, I just stepped in fucking. Okay. Yeah. King Von, the devil himself. It's been some time since I've listened to his songs. I don't know. Wait. Hey, I found another tactical armor. Let's go. Okay, I take everything back. The Lameo blade is golded. Right? Wait, but actually I have a question. I don't have any buffs and I'm using survivalist. And when I look on weaponry, it says the Lameo blade does 20 damage. But when I hit someone, it does more. How? Oh. I thought it was the. Ah, okay. Yeah, okay, yeah. Okay. Mhm. I'm gonna pick them up later. I'm just not gonna go out. I should throw a fire bomb, right? We'll all be fine. This won't be that hard, right? Just die. Just die. How much head ammo do you have? Why do you have two R11s? Ne ben de.
Ya var ya o.
Neredeyse bittim ya.
Ya var ya onu sakat etmeden durmayacak mısınız ya? Var bak. Olmaz ya.
Yeah.
Sen annesine nasıl acımasız olabilir ya?
Who's alive? Do you want a zero? Do you want to kill yourself? Okay, now I'm gonna. Yeah, that was crazy. I low-key should have thought of using paranoid with it. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna go into castle. Wait, where? Oh, okay. Okay, please give me like sick MPX. Give me like sick. Be so Sigma and give me a sick. Please. Please. Zing. I mean, I got more than enough, but sure. Oh, you mean crafting? You mean crafting? Yeah, no, don't. Bro, I found another Lameo blade. This is my fourth one. Damn. Bro, I'm finding. Okay, no, I found the CBY. Wait, I can use. Oh, there's a sick MPX. Yeah, look, I'm so happy I just got back home. What? Yeah. Yeah, every single one. I'm gonna kill myself. I got virus too. That's not acceptable. Wait, it's night 9. We almost beat it. We beat it! We beat it! This is gonna be my first title on this account. I'm actually so happy. Oh, after Radio of Eden? Do you not have shoulder on that? Yeah, bro. Do you have any more light ammo? I got some heavy here and some small. Are you using? Usually using small, I guess. Yeah, that's probably gonna be a problem. It'll be fine. Yeah. We have King Von on our team. Yeah, you kill the backliners. I can shotgun the dudes that are coming in front. Come at me! Ah! I missed, I'm so bummed. Oh my god, wait, area is secure, that means we're night 10. We've done it! We've won. Bro, we got... True, yeah. We also have 14S, so we literally won. I got another 14S! Oh my god, yes. I got a cocktail. I got 2 remote. Come in. Thank you. If we find one more firebomb, it's basically just game over for yourself. Oh my god, I found a firebomb. This is fake, bro, this is fake. Oh damn, bro, just tell him to. Oh, block is on you. Bro, I found another 14S. Holy moly. Damn! But we don't have any more long ammo. Oh. Oh, bro. Don't die on me. Don't die on me now. Come back. Where are you? Yes, you're making it. You're doing it. Oh my. You can use cocktail. Use cocktail. Yes, sir. I found one. Well, if you kill yourself and then don't respawn, I'm not just turn German. Yeah, just kill yourself. Kill yourself. Do it. Just. Yeah, I know. Bandage, you must splint. Yeah. No, we have multiple. I mean, I have one in my inventory right now. And take 14S. We got 4 of those. Like, you can just spam it all the time. You know. Here we go. That's. I'm actually just gonna place the proximity mine. Who cares, right? Okay. Alright. Give it to me. You're using small ammo, right? Okay, I think I'm gonna start using my right weapon now. When are we firebombing and grenading and stuff? Now! Oh, get back, don't die. You can't die now, right? Oh. Beat his ass. Okay, take your stims. We got enough of them. Do you have light ammo? Oh damn, okay. Right. Okay. Let me tank him, I got the shotgun. I think I can just snipe him. Oh, holy XP. That was really juicy. Oh, I got the fatigue. Do you have this? Beat his ass! Beat his ass! Why is the sniper on me? Die. Come here, Joseph. Who are you? You're nothing. I died. No way. Okay, do you have 14S still active? Beat his ass. Beat their asses. Oh my god. Yes, we did it. We did it! I can't pick it up, but we did it! We fucking did it! We did it! Easy win. Joseph, sit down, Joseph, sit down. We all live to die another day! Yes, sir! DK with the holy top, finally! Wait, how do I end it? How do I end it? 7.